can see it all over your face.
Mama,
And
but I asked you not to bother yourself slicing this okazi now.
no, now, my daughter. I cannot always leave everything for you to do. Don't worry. Go to the kitchen and take food for you and your brother.
Mama. No, Mama. Don't worry. Huh? Peter knows his way to the kitchen. Just go inside and relax. I'm not hungry yet.
Chima, go and get the food and let's eat, or you come, let's go and eat together.
I don't think you're hungry.
And what's that supposed to mean?
Peter, leave your sister. Mama, you're the one that is supposed to be relaxing, not me. After all, you're just coming back from the farm.
Mama, I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
Mama, you don't want that now.
Okay. Since you don't want me to do this, let me go to the kitchen and get your food for you.
Mama, don't worry. I will go to the kitchen, get the food he will eat, then I will come back and eat. Mama, go inside and sleep.
Yeah. Adama, God will continue to bless you since you don't want me to suffer. Nothing will happen to any of you at all. Look at her. She does not want me to do anything.
Igwe,
My son,
may you live long.
thank you.
My father sent his regards. He said I should give you this.
Okay. Right here. Oh my God. Look at that.
Igwe, inside is a huge sum of money for you.
Wow. That's good. Yes, I know. Give this to your father. Your father knows me too well that I don't accept cash from people outside business transaction.
Yes, he told me that.
Yeah.
He said because both of you have come a long way that you will gladly accept it.
I tell him I accept all his kindness towards me, but the rule applies to all. But on a very good day, I am going to come back to demand for all the monies from him. Tell him that.
As it pleases your majesty.
Adam,
Yes, ma'am.
get my maid to tell Esther the cook to prepare something for the prince, our visitor.
Okay, my queen.
Oh, my queen. Don't worry yourself. I am not hungry.
Why? Boy, you definitely get hungry before leaving here. So allow me to worry about that, okay? You have to eat something. So get the maid, let them go to the kitchen and start making something.
Listen, I think I will just take a walk around the palace. Then wait for this delicious royal meal.
Why
No
not?
problem, no problem. My princess here will take you round first. She will walk you around outside to feed you.
All right, father, mother, excuse me.
That's my pure beauty.
Just like her mother. And what was that? Wow, they are going to make a fine pair. Yeah, beautiful.
I thought you said you wouldn't come here again.
Oh, definitely, because you do not treat me fairly. I only came here on my father's order.
More wash, please.
What?
More wash.
I do not roll in a fallacy of inconsistency. Or don't you believe me?
Not even a letter from your words are true.
Oh.
On your father's order, indeed. You telling me you came here on your father's order? You sought me out just to take a walk with me around the palace, knowing fully well my father would definitely attach me to you.
For real?
Change the topic, please.
But my princess.
Prince Chike clear to Subwago. Please change the topic.
Yes, your majesty.
Peter, please now.
I know you have a lot to attend to, but I can't afford to fail this exam. Please help me out. I beg of you.
Doris, how many times do I have to tell you that I no longer want to do this? Eh? And besides, I can't teach you now.
Please, just this last time. Alright, I will pay you any amount. More than the one I used to pay before.
See, I've told you before that I no longer want to do this for money. Maybe next time, next time.
Please now. Peter is me, oh. It's Doris, oh, Peter.
Oh, I know it's you. Next time, next time.
Okay. Alright, just help me to explain this one. Just this one. And I will wait till any day you wish to come. But please, help me to understand this one.
Doris,
Please now. Piroski. Help your sister Bikunu, eh?
Just this one, no.
Yes, just this one. And one more question that I would like to ask.
No, I disagree. No question, you said just this one.
Alright, I've heard.
Give me. No, I don't know every time I not be in class and listening properly.
Let's go now.
Let's sit down there so that you can.
Mind yourself now.
Always aggressive.
Peter, how far?
Chika, you're welcome.
Ma, how far now? Okay. What's happening here now? Don't people have here today?
No, there's Yamu. We are just coming out, so I'm waiting for Chidinma to finish soup so that we can bring that.
No, no, I cannot wait. Don't do it.
Chidinma, bring that the Yamu. How many do you want?
How much is this to again?
It's 350 you. And as you can see, it's very robust.
Not only robust. My friend, tell me your best friend, let me buy and go.
You can price now.
Price your head. If it's told the yam that I no longer know the price, better let me know. Take her!
See?
Mind your words, oh! Don't you have respect for your elders? Who is talking? Who is even talking? Oh, you don't know who is talking, Abi? I can see you don't have manners. My friend, tell me your best friend, let me buy and go. I thought I even heard a voice. Hey, whoa.
Leave her alone, don't worry.
You did not hear a voice. I believe you will hear a sound. You did raise your 50 years against me. Wow, thank God. It worked. I thought you have gone deaf, not to hear voice. Obviously, I also thought you have gone limp to feel pain.
Stop this thing, Chidinma, wait! I am Chidinma! Chidinma, stop! Hey, you guys stop!
No, sorry, you beg Daddy. No! Peter, never! See, let me tell you, whatever the charge is, that I will pay. But you see this man, if you dare insult him in your entire life again, I will make sure that I scatter you. I destroy. I said get out!
Chidinma, it's okay now.
Get out! Come and get out! I will deal with you!
We are going inside.
Fool! Let me see you here again! One, Jay! Let me catch you! Let me get it! If I catch you here again, you're finished!
It's okay now, you. Leave her alone. I will take this one inside. After sweeping, bring it out again. You will not have to do the rest. Take, drop it back and sweep this place. We can't start our day like this.
Give me one! Let me catch her here again!
Every time you just like fighting every time.
Respect yourself, oh! So is that why she will come here and insult someone? I will see her if I catch her here again!
Must you talk back at her?
No!
Peter, You're welcome. I can see you made very good sales today. Eh? The basin is empty.
Yes, so God really smiled at us today.
That is good to know. Thank you. Eh?
Mama, I want to go and buy something.
Chidima, stay right there. Stay back. Mama, you need to warn this Chidima. Oh. I don't know why she keeps embarrassing me in public.
Chidima, what have you done again?
Mama, I don't know. Ask Peter now. As for me, I want to quickly go and buy something. So as to prepare dinner early.
Chidima, try me. Make one more move now. You see what I'll do to you.
What is happening here? Eh? What is wrong?
Mama, after all the warning that Chidima should stop fighting in public, she still went ahead and fought with Chika today at the market.
Peter, say the truth now. Say the truth. I did not fight Chika. I beat her like a kid she is.
Metro no one. Do you even have shame at all? When will you learn to behave like a woman for once? Every now and then, Chidima is fighting here and fighting there. One day you are going to get married. Someday you are also going to have children. What are you going to teach them?
Mama, my children cannot be intimidated though. I will just kill them. If they do jelenga over an issue, they should settle blow for blow. People can insult me for all I care. But you see this guy, I will kill for his sake.
Mama, want Chidima. Oh. See, then you should stop fooling me around. Don't hang around me anymore. I don't want you around me anymore. So that way, you will not see anybody to insult me for you to beat. Henceforth, you're on your own. You do your thing, I do my thing.
Okay, one mouth.
Oh, yeah.
Peter, you lie. You lie.
Hey!
We were born on the same day. You cannot just separate us all of a sudden. So you see, you will not try it. Mama, tell him more. If they try me in this committee, I will kill all of them. Let me go and buy something. Let them try me.
Hey! What kind of daughter is this? What kind of girl is this? Everyday trouble, everyday trouble.
My princess.
Please help me call that young man.
Okay, my princess.
No, don't worry. I will go.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Good afternoon. How are you? Good afternoon. You sell here?
Yes, I sell over there. My sell yam.
Wow, that's nice. How much do you sell a tuber?
350 per tuber. But you can price it.
Don't worry about that. Why not count how many you have there?
Chidima, you go and count how many yam is there and come and tell me so I'll tell the princess.
No need. 29.
29.
Okay. But I need 100.
And no problem. I still have enough yam in my band. So I can add it up and bring it.
Okay. eBay.
My princess.
Meet Amaka to give you 40,000 naira. 35,000 naira for the yam and 5,000 naira for your transport to the palace.
Hey, thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
Peter, let's go and bring the 29 now. So that princess can go with it and we'll bring the rest to the palace.
And that's true. So that we'll bring the rest to the palace.
No, don't worry. I want him to bring it to the palace.
Okay, no problem, my princess. I'll do just that.
Princess, what's the essence of suffering the young man now? You came with the car, just go with it.
Chidima, I'm not complaining.
Okay. My maid will see you in your shop. And I'll be expecting you this evening.
No problem, my princess.
Expect us, so.
I don't mean you, but him.
Why?
No problem, my princess. I'll bring the yam.
I will be expecting you this evening in the palace.
Thank you. Thank you very much. What's that all about? Don't you embarrass me in front of the princess.
I can see you like her. Eh? Oh, didn't you see the way she was looking at you? Oh, Ekwa, I'm a fool, Abi. I'm a fool.
It's my own business. You like trouble.
I like trouble. I know all she needs is a sex slave, and that is exactly what you're going to that palace to go and do for her.
You overstep, you know. Maybe you know. You want to try the princess. Your head. Use your head and carry it.
I am not scared of her. I am not scared of her. In fact, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
My princess, believe me, I don't know that young man.
I don't know him either.
So?
My princess, I'm not praying for such. But what if he doesn't show up at the palace and runs away with the money?
That was the main reason I did that. I just want to know the kind of person he is.
I am sorry to announce to you, my amiable princess, that you have just lost a whooping sum of 40,000 naira.
Mom!
Are you laughing at me now?
No, my princess, no.
Okay, your big heads. Okay, you know what?
What?
Let's play a bet. If he doesn't come this evening, then I'll double your salaries for the month. But if he does, then you will forfeit your salaries. Agreed?
My princess, you remember you said this evening, you know, that means if he comes tomorrow morning, we'll take it that you've lost the bet. Okay, deal. Amaka, are you in or out?
Somehow, if it's half our salaries and not...
No. All or no deal.
Shy. Alright then, fine. Anyway, I trust Nigerian guys with money now. I'm in.
I just pray you don't fail me. Not because of the money or the bets. Please, just come. I beg you.
Hey, Chidima, you go and count how many yam is there and come and tell me so I'll tell the princess.
No need. 29.
29.
Peter said you asked him to...
Quiet. Address him well.
I'm so sorry, my princess. Mr. Peter said you asked him to bring some 2 bags of yam for you.
How many are they?
116, my princess.
116?
Yes, my princess.
How do you mean?
Ebube and Ikemefuna counted them and they were 116 tubers.
Okay. Tell him I will be with him shortly.
Alright, my princess.
Inke?
Yes, my princess.
Bring Peter to me.
As it pleases your highness.
The whole thing is baffling to me.
So how much is the total sum involved?
4.5 million naira.
And he still refused to pay?
He said he's expecting more money from the governor by next week. That he spent all he had on that project. But in a way, I don't believe him. I smell betrayal.
Uh-huh. So you now smell betrayal from your friend?
Look, I am serious.
Ah.
He's here, my princess. Okay. Bring it. Let him in. Alright, my princess.
Good evening, my princess.
Peter, you're highly welcome.
Thank you, my princess.
You're keeping me waiting. Please sit.
Thank you, my princess.
You are highly welcome to the presence of the Princess of Umuogo, Princess Adora, the most beautiful and first maiden of Umuogo Kingdom. Please, sir, what may I offer you?
Oh, thank you very much. I'm okay. I don't need anything. I'm fine.
I'm sorry, sir. You can't refuse the offer. What can I offer you, sir?
A glass of cold water.
Alright, sir. Again? Yes, my princess. Get him a glass of milk from the dispenser. Alright, my princess. 1 minute. You're welcome once again.
Thank you, my princess.
No need to inquire about your name. But tell me, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from this village.
I know. Where exactly? Here's the drink, sir. Yeah, try for me. Thank you. Thank you, Professor.
I'm the son of late Manzi Buka. Yes, I'm a graduate.
Wow, really?
Yes, I graduated from Umuogo Community Secondary School last year. And I'm currently working as a yam sale personnel so as to raise money for university.
Wow, that's interesting. Drink up.
Thank you, my princess.
The meal I had last night was not as delicious as the lunch I had today.
Really?
Yes.
Well, that is because it wasn't prepared by your nutritionist wife.
Don't tell me you left the maids to prepare my meal.
On the contrary, my king, your daughter did. She prepared it.
You don't say that.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, she went to the markets all by herself, bought all the condiments. I just stood with her in the kitchen and offered little assistance.
Wow. That is wonderful. That is my daughter. You know? Hey, even Adora prepared that delicious meal?
Excuse me. But I thought you said it wasn't delicious a moment ago.
Well, yeah, it is not, but compared to your own cooking. But coming from my daughter, it is the best meal I've ever tasted.
Oh my God, you can say that again. Excuse me, my dear, you can leave, huh?
All right, my queen.
My king.
Yes.
I have been thinking seriously.
About what?
About our daughter. You know you've still not made up your mind home to give her out in marriage.
I am also confused myself. What do you advise?
Let's place the cards on the table. Izebuka is your friend, your childhood friend.
Yes.
And he has left his throne on several occasions to fight with you side by side in the conquest of this kingdom. And then Senator Ikemba is also your childhood friend. He helped you out so much in your school days. And he's still helping you out, being the reason we are in very good terms with the present government. And now both of them want our daughters hand in marriage to their sons so as to solidify the relationship. I don't know. I am confused. Who do we give out our daughter to?
And the worst part of it all is that Adora herself is saying nothing. I said nothing concerning either of them.
I think Adora likes the both of them. So, she's confused as well on whom to choose.
I sense trouble. I pray for wisdom in this particular case.
I pray so too. I pray so too.
Why did you bring 116 tubers of yam instead of 100 I paid for?
I already had enough gain on the 350 per tuber. So I was going to be very greedy of me if I should collect an additional money for transport.
I see. That's thoughtful of you.
Thank you, my princess. But I'm sorry, you, my princess, but I have a question.
Go ahead. What's that?
See, I know that the king does not like yam in his barn. You're not in any position to buy such, even if the barn is empty. But I
know why you're asking. Because I came to the market to get yam.
Oh, my princess, I'm very sorry, eh? Who am I to question your decisions? Please pardon my silly act of inquisitiveness.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You see, whenever I see single mothers struggling to cater for their children, I feel sad, and I pray never to lose my father, the king, even if it will cost him losing the throne. So I decided to consult the director of Single Mothers Foundation to establish it in this community. Ever since, I've been helping them secretly, and that's where this yam is going to.
My princess, so you mean you're the one who made it possible for Single Mothers Foundation to be established in this community?
Yes, of course. It's by the grace of God.
Hey! Hey! Thank you, my princess! Oh.
It's okay.
I'm sorry, my princess.
It's fine. Just sit.
I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's fine.
Hey, you see, just that too. My mother is one of the regular beneficiaries of this foundation, of this establishment in our community. See, and we've been praying for the kind heart behind it. And here I am before Her Highness. Hey, my princess, thank you very much.
It's okay, but shh. Let this be a secret between us. Nobody knows about this, except for my parents and my aides.
No problem, my princess.
You're not going to do it. Is it not Peter I'm saying here? You need to beat her. What's that? I want you. I will do myself. I want you. You want to die? Hey, I will kill you first. I will kill you. Go back home. I will kill you first. Okay, come on, pass now. Okay. You're not going anywhere. When you get out of my wife. Hey. I will kill you. You're not going anywhere. I will kill you.
What's happening there?
That's Chidinma.
Who is Chidinma?
The lady with me at the market.
Oh.
Hey.
I have to go now.
Just sit down.
You're not going anywhere. My princess.
Let her in.
Are you there? Try me next time. See, if I ever catch you outside this palace, you'll be dead. Idiot. Efu.
Good afternoon, my princess.
Peter, Mama say you've overstayed though. She's very worried. And I decided to come and fetch you to ease her distress.
Chidima, how dare you? Eh?
Peter, it's okay. You can go with her.
I'm sorry, my princess.
It's okay. Just take it easy now.
I'm very sorry, my princess. I have to leave, my princess.
Come, let's go home. Stay. Leave me alone. Peter, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Peter, leave me alone. Peter. Come on. Stop. Hey! This is the morning.
My princess, please, have mercy on our salaries, I beg you, please.
My princess, please. Just have small church mind, Biko.
You're both fired.
Chineke!
Princess, please, no, please.
Please, my princess.
Please.
Just kill me instead. Just kill me.
No, princess. Killing her alone is like taking the life wire out of the light. Instead, kill both of us. Princess, please now. Okay, you know what? You can take 3 months upfront from our salary. Biko. If you fire us, we are gone now. So what are we doing again?
Yeah,
please now, Biko. Oh.
Call me the princess.
The princess. In fact, the princess is.
Yes.
Call me the lioness.
The lioness. My princess, you are the lionesses.
Small names, please.
Hey.
Okaramo or Okaramo.
Omeka nna na nne ya.
Ojena mmo.
Ogbu ebulu.
Ogbu efi.
Ogbu ago.
Ogbu toki. Yes. Toro.
Well, it's okay, it's fine. But next time, don't toy with my emotions.
No. We will not.
Yes,
my princess, we will not. We will not.
Well, come share a drink with me.
Did you hear that? See, are you sure that is not the last supper that we are going to take with her? Yeah, do you know?
Fear. She has forgiven us. See, she just wants us to have a good time with her. Okay? Let's go.
So what are we waiting for now?
Let's go.
You should be thankful that I'm concerned about you.
See, I swear to God, if you try this nonsense next time, I'll beat you with football.
I don't hear that. Hey! That is our national anthem. Please say something else.
What is it? What is it in this house that both of you will not allow me rest? Oh, give me fun.
It's not nonsense, Chidima. One now.
Will you shut up your mouth? How many times have I warned you to stop calling her names? Anytime both of you are at odds. Don't you know she's your senior?
Mama, I don't care. See, I don't care at all. I don't care if she's my senior or my superior. After all, we were born on the same day. Can you imagine the kind of embarrassment she gave me at the palace today, right in front of the princess?
Mbali. Chidema. Mama. Did you not tell me you were going to your first place in Jideka? How did you end up in the palace?
Ooh. I changed my mind.
You did what? Chidema.
Please go outside.
Chidema, you will not kill me, oh.
See, Mama, this Chidema, she's an enemy of progress. I was just in the middle of discussion with the princess, peacefully. No issue, JJ. All of a sudden, she barged on us. almost beating up the palace guard.
Saying, Mama was worried that you overstayed and I volunteered to come and take you home.
Chidema.
Mama.
Chidema.
Mama.
Chidema.
Mama.
You will not kill me. Chidema, you will not kill me. So, beating up hefty men and women on the street is not good enough for you. Now you have entered into the palace. I hope you are ready. I hope you are ready, prepared though. Because the king will soon banish us.
Mama, what now? What is the meaning of all this now? Anytime she sees me with any girl, she just gets upset and out of her mind.
It is called protection.
Protection, what?
See, I don't blame you, but today, if this thing repeat again, you see what I'll do you? I'll destroy you.
Forget it. If I catch you there again, I will come and scatter all of them.
So you are still talking?
Let me see you there again. I will come. Nonsense. Princess, come. Yesterday, and this morning I have to rush to see Jideka before she goes to the farm. Don't worry, leave it, let me just...
I have hands.
Peter, are you still angry with me over what happened yesterday? I'm sorry now, please forgive me.
Look here, Chidima. I guess it would be better for us to stay apart.
No, do you want to kill me? That will never happen, no. It will never happen. It is obvious that that princess has charmed you against me. And now you want us to be apart. That eye that look like...
Chidima, don't...
Peter, please now. Can't you just forget about the past? Peter, please. Please now. Please.
You can continue with the washing.
Thank you. Let me put on the body.
Don't worry, I'll do it myself.
Thank you, don't worry. One. Now, Peter, me and you, we are one. Hey, my brother. Let me wash this thing fast. Seriously. Whoa. Davis.
Yes?
How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Your time is up. Start going to your house. How do you mean? Thank God you understand English. And that is what I just spoke. Leave our house this minute.
Chidima, why all this embarrassment now?
Just stay clear. If you don't have eyes, I have, and I'm using it for both you and I. Doris, leave our house.
Chidima, please. I do not have your strength to do. Allow me to learn.
Learn or seduce?
What?
Oh, you think I did not see you? The way you were lusting after him. Instead of you paying attention to what he was teaching you.
But I was paying now. I mean, I was
lusting! Oh, you're not stammering at me?
Chidima, please just leave here and stop all this rubbish.
I will not leave here until this idiot leaves. Oh, it's like you're enjoying how we goes and hits. As for Chidima, I am not comfortable. Doris, leave this company immediately before the whole community discover your height of falling. Ngwa, oh yeah.
I'm out of here, I can't sit here and listen to what this
I know you now. Good boy. Did you know what he just did? He's fleeing away from all appearances of evil. Now get out! Pick your books. Get out.
Me, I came here to learn, no. I do not know what you're talking about.
You're lusting after him with your eyes full of flame of fire, ready to consume with passion. Yet you don't know. When you will know, by then you might be pregnant for him. My friend, get out! Hey, come here. Today should be the last time I will ever see this your two left leg in this compound. If not, I promise you, you will not return home with your legs. Nah, get out. Move. See ya. Ooh, busy body. So if the Peter put notice that he's looking for girlfriend, you to tell a wawa who say you're qualified. Palama fufu. Let me see you in this place again. Nonsense. Rubbish. Stupidness.
Does any one of you have anything to say?
Igwe Umogo Queen.
Yeah.
My elders, the person we're talking about here is our princess. Our one and only princess. Igwe, I know you want to favor a few of your friends, but you're confused about who you must give her to as wife. And that politician, I know that he has done a few things for this community, but that does not mean that we must give our princess to a politician as wife. That is my submission, my Igwe.
Igwe, I support Amechi Dionowu. We need allies, Igwe. We all know that our kingdom is the biggest kingdom so far in this part of this country. And we need to conquer more. But in doing that, without bloodshed, we need to ally with Ezebuka by allowing his son to marry our princess. This will serve as an everlasting peace treaty, and at the same time, increase our warrior to stand on our kingdom in times of war.
Igwe Nwako, why are you talking like a kid?
Ewo.
If our princess marry Prince Chike, do you think the prince will leave his own kingdom and rule from here? Never.
Chiba, sit down. I said sit down if you do not have anything good to say. How dare you call me a kid?
But I've just said so.
Hey, shut up and sit down. Did you not hear him say you should sit down? Come on, sit down, my friend.
Why must you two shut him up? Igwe. Chima.
Thank you.
I don't know why Chima is always being humiliated whenever he wants to talk. I am of the opinion of Chima. Because giving our princess to Prince Chike he will not only take her to their kingdom, he will also rule us from his kingdom. And before our benefits come to us, we have suffered. Although I am also of the opinion of the law, because giving our princess to a politician, they will turn our kingdom to a gambling ground. Igwe, the princess must marry from this kingdom so that the husband can succeed you.
Ashegbu, what are you suggesting?
My suggestion, I am suggesting that the king should keep it open to the sons of the nobles like us who have interest on the princess to declare. Then the princess can make her choice.
Bam!
I have listened to all that you have to say. I can assure you that your suggestions will be taken into consideration when I am taking my stand. Thank you once again for coming.
Igwe.
Thank you.
Mom, for some time now, you've stopped the maid from carrying out the duties on the dining. Could it be that you're thinking they may harm us in any way?
My daughter, if I don't take care of my family, who will? I also want to be grooming you on how to take care of your family when you eventually get married. Mm-hmm. It might also interest you to know that since I got married to my husband, no one has cooked for him. I've always been the one to cook for your father.
I can attest to that.
Because that was how my late mother trained me. And then I've now also decided that I will not only cook for my husband, I will also serve his meal.
Exactly.
Dad, what are you feeling like?
Like a king that I am.
Of course, you are the king.
Yeah.
His Royal Majesty.
That was good.
Guy, this is not a laughing matter, eh? It's not a laughing matter at all. I don't know what I'm going to do about my sister Chidima. Every time, she keeps beating up every girl that she sees close to me. She doesn't want to see me with any girl. She doesn't want to see me with the princess.
Guy, you are in for troubles. This act of jealousy is becoming something else. Ha! She has practically turned everybody in this community into her enemies. Beating up the old and young, especially when it comes to your matter. Yeah.
Hey, Ibuka, stop that too. What's the meaning of that one now? Are you saying I cannot fight for myself or what?
No, you cannot. See, let me tell you. You better ask her to tell you what she feels about you before all this thing drives you crazy. Because I can see you're already being traumatized. You're looking traumatized already.
I'm tired, Ibuka. I'm tired of everything, eh? I'm tired. The trouble is just becoming too much. And sometimes I don't even understand what's going on. Eh? And the princess says she's coming to my house to see me this evening. So says Agado, but I'm just wondering what I should expect.
What else? What else will you expect if not fire for fire? See, if she can act the way she did when you went to the palace for just business, imagine what will happen now that the battlefield is being drawn in her territory. Hey, she will bambalize everything. You better be ready, because for me, I know I will not be there now. I will not be there. You better get yourself ready.
Hi. Guy, my God.
It is your problem.
Buka, don't sound like that. I beg, you're scaring me. Eh?
No, stay there. Stay there and talk about being scared or not.
Quick and start going now before your father start looking for you.
Are you chasing me?
No. But you know you didn't tell your parents you were coming to our house.
It's not because they'll tell me not to come because I came yesterday.
Oh. Are you saying that you prefer our house to your house?
Yes, now.
Why?
because you don't shout at me. You don't send me unnecessary errands. You don't even give me too many work to do. But my mother, she'll just be shouting, sending me messages just to keep me in the house. Do you know the one that pains me most?
Which one?
The one that pains me most is that anytime she sees me to a guy, the kind of slap she'll land on my face. Before you know what will happen, she'll just start shouting.
Chinelo talk.
But you're not the one that asked me a question.
A question? Not 10.
Hey, let me just eat. I beg you, not eating again.
Oh, thank you, huh?
Give me jaw, I'll eat. Friends, jaw, go with smooth and just say, shout.
Way? How do you mean way there?
Now, Princess, don't tell me you don't understand what I mean by way.
Father, I'm not one of your elders. Just break it down for me.
Okay then. Well, for some time now, Honorable Uche and Prince Chike have been coming here and you have been having a nice time with them. Now tell me, which one of them do you want to be your husband? Okay, on the other way around, which one of them do you love most?
Father, my king,
yes,
and my mentor. Honorable Uche and Prince Chike are my very good friends. Besides, none of them meets the criteria of becoming the husband of Princess Adora Precious Amadi.
Oh yeah?
Yes, mother.
My princess, my one and only precious daughter. Let me tell you something. Marriage is a gradual process. You cannot just jump into conclusions like that. Okay. I understand you. But then, I want you to stop looking at them as just mere friends. Look at them as suitors. That way, your heart will be able to discern that which is after your heart. Okay? Search your heart, my dear child.
Okay, Mom. Dad.
Yeah.
I've heard you. Then, let the ultimate search begin.
Did she say ultimate search? Oh yeah?
Ultimate search indeed.
Ultimate search for Africa. Oh, this child.
I said she came to my house yesterday to tell me.
Wow, this is serious. So of all people, it is Doris that Peter finally decided to settle with.
How are we sure that Doris is telling us the truth?
Oh.
She said the way Peter talked to her in her house was like he should just grab her.
Imagine. Rubbish.
You know what, girls? I suggest we join them in the revision today.
Better.
Then at least from there, we know if truly they have something in common.
Me? I'm going nowhere. I hate that boy. I don't want to see him.
Why now? Hey. Janet, I'm beginning to suspect you. What did he do to you?
He's such a pest. He always disturbs me to be his girlfriend. I don't want to spoil anything for him. So there's no need for me going with you girls. Okay? So I must slap him if he dare say anything to me.
Yeah. No, now. Don't worry. It hasn't gotten to that.
Tell her.
We will make sure things are in order. He will not there. Chioma, when will he be in her house?
I don't really know, but I think it should be in the afternoon.
No wahala. We will go. Janet, prepare. I no follow for this your plenty sentiment.
What is wrong with you?
Peter, you're wrong with me. You're wrong with me, Peter. I can no longer control the feelings I have for you. I love you, Peter.
So, you're no longer interested in the books, but a guy.
Not just a guy, but Peter. Give me the chance to love you, and I will show you the other side of love.
See, you better stop this nonsense. You hear me? What's the meaning of this now? Did I do anything wrong in coming to your house to teach you? Eh? No wonder Chidinma sent you away from our house the other day. So this is who you are. Look here. Don't ever in your life come looking for me to teach you anything again.
As if she will have the eyes to see. Peter, let's go to the house and eat.
I'm not hungry. Besides, how did you know I was there?
You told us.
You mean?
I overheard you telling Mama, and you even want her not to tell me. I would have stopped you earlier on, or come before now, but I wanted to wait for the right time where I will catch you right on top of her. Well, you just show the good boy you've always been. You're free, Sha. Let's go.
I'm not going with you. You can go and eat. I'm going to see my friend.
Doris. No. Doris, sit down now. How are you there? I'm fine, ma. Have you forgotten that you're my senior? What is I'm fine, ma? I'm sorry. It's a slip of tongue. I know! See, the seduction alone is enough to make your dog sleep. Okay. Take good care of yourself, eh? I'll see you tomorrow. Good care. Doris. Thank you for coming. No, I appreciate it. Yes. Take care. Chidinma. Thank God that she didn't see me in the act, though.
Ashebu and Chima, you are welcome to my home. Before the owner left for the nearby village, he informed me that you, Ashebu, requested for a meeting among the elders. That is why we are here. So, over to you.
My elders, you are welcome. I actually called for this meeting, and it has to do with the princess. I know the king must have gotten his own ways of handling this issue, but I want us to try and convince him. Let him allow the sons of the noble to marry our daughter. By so, we can have the access to our kingdom back, instead of you allowing the strangers or politicians to come and take over our kingdom. You know, we have worked so hard in this kingdom, and I believe we can convince the king.
Well, I understand what you have said, and this is not the time to argue. But offending Ezebuka will be very risky for us. We all know that he fought side by side with our king in conquest for this kingdom. And the only way to keep such friendship going smoothly is by marriage. For Ezebuka to personally seek our princess's hand in marriage to his son, it means a repay for the good he has done for us.
My fellow elders, we know that he has tried, and we know the consequences of turning down his request. But our king is still higher than him in title. Therefore, he will have no any other option but to succumb to every decision that the king makes.
That is a hard nut to crack.
Nwankwo.
I have heard all your submissions. I also know that we will all benefit more if our son married the princess. But you all know the king very well. If he had any intention for our sons to marry the princess, he would have confided in us. But if he perceives any of us pressurizing him to marry his princess, that would tantamount to treason, and we all know what that means. Well, is there anything more for anybody to say? If that is the case, then I think we have to call it a day. I'll find a suitable time to see the king and present the case to him, since I'm his brother.
That's my man, Nwankwo.
Chidima. Get up from that seat.
No!
Chidima, I said leave that place now.
For what now? For what? I don't blame you. I don't blame you. It's that princess charm that is working in you.
Leave it there. Like it like that.
How would you like it now? Are you alive? I will deal with her. Let her come here today. Let me see now. She'll come here.
Olivia. See, if you try to do some nonsense today,
you will not do anything.
I swear.
Rita, you will not do anything. You will not do anything. I'm waiting for her. I'm here. So it's not your chair. I see your chair. You see your chair?
Welcome. Greetings, Mr. Peter and Sister Chidima.
I'm highly honored to have you visit my princess. Please feel comfortable.
Sorry, it's not you I came to see, but your mom. Please call her for me.
Princess, you're welcome. Mama is inside. Let me call her for you. Mama! Mama!
What is it?
My princess is here. Oh.
The princess?
Yes, sir.
In our house? Hey! I'm coming home.
Okay, I'm coming. My princess, Mama is coming, Just relax. Hey.
Mama.
My princess.
Good afternoon.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Please, to what do we owe this visit? Please, come and sit down. Please sit down.
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, how is your health?
I'm managing. It's God that gives good health.
Mama, please manage this. It's from my heart.
Yeah?
Yes.
Hi!
What is coming? What is coming?
Hey! My princess!
Mama.
All this for me.
Mama, it's for you.
God bless you.
Amen.
God will replenish you with plenty upon plenty.
Amen.
Though he told me about your visit, I told him it must be out of his mind. I never thought the royal fruit would come into my compound. Not to talk of coming with a royal gift. Hey, my princess. God bless you. Mama, please go to the kitchen, prepare something for the princess.
Okay, Mama, don't worry. I'm fine. When next I come, I will eat. But for today, just give me water to drink.
Only water?
Just water.
Okay, go to Mama and give the shop, buy very chilled pure water.
Mama, you worry yourself too much. We have cartons of bottled water in the house. Mama, I want to drink from your pot and in your...
Yes, again?
Yes, Mama. I'm serious.
Princess, if that is a joke, it's expensive.
I'm serious. Or would you rather prefer me to go inside and fetch for myself?
My princess, what if you get sick? You know you have not drank from our kind of... you have not done it all your life.
Mama.
Please don't put me in trouble.
Don't worry. I won't get sick. Just give me water to drink. I'm thirsty.
If it pleases your highness, Mama, go and bring the stainless cup. Use soap and wash it. Wash it very well. Rinse it over and over and over again. You know? Drink me water.
My princess, just relax. I'll be back,
Hey, my princess. Mama. How is our king and our queen doing?
They are both fine, Mama. They are very fine.
Okay.
Peter.
Yes, my princess.
How are you?
I'm fine, my princess.
Chidimma! Can you visit the palace this evening?
Sure, my princess.
I hope... Oh, my princess.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. I'm fine.
I'm meaning you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, my princess.
Mama. Thank you for your warm reception. Yes, I would like to take my leave.
So soon?
Yes, Mama. We have better days ahead. Don't worry, I will visit again and I will stay for lunch.
Thank you, my princess.
Okay, Mama. Alright, Mama. Take care.
Mama. Hey, our most beautiful princess. Bye bye, yo. Hey, you did not go with your guests.
Yes. Continue your compound recreation. What? Nonsense. Continue.
I know you're saying all this, so you will not tell us the outcome of the princess visit to your house.
What? Who told you about it?
Nobody.
Ibuka.
Are we not friends? Are we supposed to hide anything from each other?
Tell us now, guy. Talk to us now.
Well, she came, but she didn't come for me.
What? So if she didn't come for you, who else did she come for?
She came to see my mother. And I still can't place it.
This is serious. Has there been any meeting between the princess and your mother before now?
Not at all. Not at all, Lou. She has never seen my mother before. Not until today.
Well, Peter, you were there and we weren't. So tell me, what exactly can you deduce from her stay, or the scenario within the period of her stay?
I can't really tell much. Just that when Chidima, my sister, went inside to fetch water for her to drink, she quickly asked me to come see her in the palace this evening. And the moment she noticed Chidima's arrival, she kept quiet.
BAM! This is the mystery behind it all. Yes!
I don't understand.
She is afraid of Chidima. See, person when no fear Chidima, no fear God.
Hey, because I can't believe you be saying something like this. How can you be saying that the princess is afraid of Chidima? The #1 princess of Umogo Kingdom, afraid of Chidima? Ha! That's a lie, you. When one word from her can land Chidima in the guard room. Don't buy that, please.
Guys, wait though. Well, I don't think the princess is scared of Chidima. I'd rather say that the princess did what she did to avoid Chidima's reaction that will bring you embarrassment. So if I were you, I would leave here this minute and run straight to the palace to know what the princess has to say.
Lucky, I think you have a point there. Then guys, that means I have to leave you guys now. Let me start. Let me just run along. So meet us start.
Naso?
Yes, now.
Stay a little while with us now.
Bafodia. Sorry. Thank you.
The princess will soon be with you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much. What is her name?
My name is Nkem. I am the daughter of Ichie Edozie.
Wow. I never knew Ichie had 2 daughters.
Yes. I was brought into this palace at the age of 2. I was raised here and groomed to serve the princess.
Wow. That's nice.
The princess is here. Welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
Welcome, my princess.
Peter. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Why that?
I'm not here for you, for the queen.
You're so funny. Okay. The queen is inside waiting for you.
That's not funny. Hope it sounds right in your ears.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Actually, I was there to see you, but Your sister's mood was so horrifying. Immediately I told her I was there to see your mom, telling to see how happy she was. I'm sorry.
So tell me, are you afraid of my sister?
No. I'm not afraid of your sister, but you.
You mean?
I was afraid of what you would do if your sister had committed a sin. See, Peter, I don't want you and your sister to have any problems because of me. I like you, and I also like your sister. I pray she would understand. So how is your mom?
She's fine. She sends her greetings.
Wow, I appreciate. And how is your girlfriend?
I have a girlfriend. They're all distractions.
That's not true. Especially for those who are decent enough to place you on track. Okay, tell me about your past relationship.
I don't have a past relationship. I never had. I'm sorry, my princess. I have to start going now. I'm fine with your explanations. And I'm sorry for the inconveniences you had to experience in my house. Okay?
Peter, why are you always in a hurry to leave? Or are you afraid that Chidema may come here?
No, she's not even aware that I'm here.
Then just stay. Please. Mm? Please. Thank you.
For me, I don't really know. Hi. Don't tell me you don't know when you're seeing the same thing I am seeing.
Although I do see the young man around the princess, but I don't know what they are up to.
Now let me tell you, since you have turned dummy, why things happen around you. The boy started by bringing some tubers of yam for the princess, and ever since, he has been coming here.
Well, I guess the princess is still owing him. That's why he's coming to demand it.
Demand? Inukwa demand? Ifoma, my dear, wise up. There is surely something between him and the princess. You know me too well now. You know me. I don't see anyhow. And when I see it is authentic and first hand.
Wow. Ifoma, we both know that the princess is in love with two men. Yet confused of whom to get married to. Why then will she fall in love with that good-for-nothing farmer?
Ifoma, sometimes you talk like a child. The princess loves men a lot. Even with the confusion of whom to get married to, she's still loving another. Thomas, if you doubt me, invite that your handsome and stout-looking brother to the palace. If the princess will not fall in love with him at first sight.
Chineke.
What is it? Kegi.
I never knew you were this lively.
Wow. I never thought you could be this labor. Oh, thank you so much for being such a good friend.
I should be the one thanking you. Thank you for bringing the smile to my face. You know, for 2 days I've known you now. It's as if we've known for years. Thank you so much.
Such is life, my dear.
I wish to appear before my princess, if it pleases Her Highness.
Come. Be with him shortly.
Okay, my princess.
I have to go now.
As if you've been praying for this.
Come on. I actually wish to stay more, but the king requests for your presence. And besides...
I know. But promise me you'll come tomorrow.
Wow. I'll come to see my princess tomorrow. Good night, my princess.
Good night.
not be that something has happened to Peter.
Where? And you? Where are you coming from? I said, where have you been? Where have you been?
Hey, Mama, since you have refused to tell me where Peter went to, since afternoon, I decided to go and look for him in his friend's place, and none of them admitted seeing him the whole of today. Mama, Peter must be in danger.
Peter is fine wherever he is. And you, go to the kitchen and carry your food and eat.
Mama, is there something you're hiding from me? There's only one place I did not check, and there is no doubt that he must be there.
And where is that?
The same place you know he is.
Don't be stupid. Oh yeah, stand up. Go and eat your food and go to bed.
Ma, I am not that little ma of those days, oh. I will not eat without Peter. It will start today. All because of that good for nothing princess. I must pay her a visit tonight.
And who are you paying a visit?
Oh God.
From where?
From the palace, of course. Or you think I don't know?
And so?
And so? And so? You left this house without a word. I spent the whole day worrying and looking for you everywhere. And you have the guts to ask me and so? Peter, thank your stars that I did not remember the palace earlier. Nonsense.
My son. So how is she?
She's fine, Mama. She sent her greetings. Hey, Mama, me, I'm hungry.
You can go with Chidema and go eat your food. Because she refused to eat without seeing you.
Mama, I won't come out. Some things have got to stop in this house.
Come, let's go and eat.
Hey, you're not ready to eat though. Better go and eat because as for me, I am not eating with you.
You don't want to eat? Okay now. None of us will not eat now.
You better join her or else
You know-
Mama, I don't want to eat with her. Me, I'm going inside. I want to business.
Mama, they are going to eat.
Hey!
What? Kiss?
Kiss? That is good news, my princess.
Hey guy, this is getting very interesting. Guy, tell us now. Did he end at just kissing or what?
You see, ever since I grew up serving you, I've never seen you in such a cheerful mood when talking about the man.
Honestly, my princess, like Sochi said, I can see you're so excited over the whole thing.
Very, very.
The princess really likes you. Ha! This is miracle. The princess of all people.
Hey! See, that is the problem. You guys don't understand this, and that is the problem. The princess cannot be in love with me. Eh? We cannot be in love with each other at all. You see, this is not normal, and you know it.
Yes, I know it.
But, my princess, you know this isn't going to work between you two.
Says who?
Who am I to mention any name before my princess? But please, use your tongue to count your teeth.
Whether I count it or not, it still remains 32. What gave you the right to tell me it's not going to work? My princess, please quench your anger, please. Quench your anger and forgive Amaka for her manners. Please. But what I think she meant is a relationship between royal and a commoner cannot hold. How dare you! How dare you call my princess a commoner? Ha!
But in this case, God has ordained it right from creation. And you must not let it elude you, I beg.
Guy, Ebuka is right. You are highly and truly favored by God. For the princess of Umuogo kingdom to fall in love with you. But guy.
I'm sorry, my princess. Please, I beg you. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Well, it's okay. It's okay. Just sit. Just sit. Well, you see, I've been to his house before. And you both know that. Immediately I stepped my foot into his compound. I knew he was the one. And my spirit was at peace. There he stood, looking stunning and inviting, that I almost ran into his arms. Hope you girls are okay with that. So, what do you girls think?
Nothing, my princess.
Okay, I'm sorry. I know you're still angry with me. Okay, I'm sorry. I know I overreacted. Sometimes we go out of control. I'm so sorry. We are fine, my princess. Okay, I want you girls to advise me. And trust me, I'll listen. Just advise me. Even if it comes with rebuke.
Though the journey will be very rough, but you must fight to pull through.
And we your friends, we will stand and fight with you, no matter how tough it is. Here.
Well, I don't have much to say, but follow your heart. Make the right decisions and stand by it. Remaining unmovable when the snap comes.
And in doing that, my princess, please, first check to be sure it's worth it. For your fight not to be in vain, and for you not to regret it.
Good luck, my princess.
See, Well, I've heard your advice. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your advice and encouragement. But I'm not interested in this relationship. See you guys later.
Peter! This guy don't run mad though. Something they worry this boy. Hey! Yeah, no correct. Hey! Imagine I meet the princess they like. Princess of Obiko.
Ngideka. Leave that side for me. There is nothing I cannot handle.
Well, I trust you. But the second thing that brought me here is to talk to you about this your habit of fighting your friends here and there.
What about me fighting my friends? Or have I ever fought you?
Fight me? For what now?
That is because you respect yourself now.
Inokwa, fight me. I will beat you hands down. But seriously, Chidinma, I was with Chika earlier on today, and she told me how you disgraced her in the marketplace, all because she played with Peter, your brother.
Play, Nebe? Did you just say play? You needed to see how Chika insulted Peter. You know my brother now. He was busy romancing words, all because he is interested in the money for one tuber of yam that Chika may not end up buying. As for Chidima, I don't have the patience. You needed to see what I did to her. Hey! I gave it to her. I gave it. Front, back, center. Next time, if she see Peter, call me. She will bow down.
Just look at you. Look how you were busy demonstrating it. I gave it. I thought you'd be so bad by now.
So?
Well, she told me that your brother has come to apologize to her. Yes. But I don't think that is enough. Chika is our friend. And your brother must not go around apologizing on your behalf all the time. You need to go and apologize to her and tell her how sorry you are.
So, you mean Peter went to apologize to her?
Yes.
And you want me to go and add my own to his apology?
Anyhow you put it. But just go and apologize to her and rekindle your friendship with her. You may need her tomorrow.
Okay, I will go and apologize to her and tell her how sorry I am. When?
Any day you wish. Or do you want me to go with you?
No. Trust me, Chidima. There is nothing too difficult for me to handle. I will go and apologize to her.
Good.
Peter, good afternoon. Please wait. How about... Now, wow, Peter, you just did as if you don't know us at all.
Yeah. So, how do people who know you do, please?
At least greet us well. Stand with us and know where we are going.
Hey. How is that my headache? Do you guys report to me? See, let me tell you. Your whereabouts is none of my concern.
Peter, you're always harsh. Have you forgotten that we are ladies and should be treated fairly? Well, the reason we stopped you is because we need your help.
My help?
Yes, actually, we are heading to Doreen's house to meet up with you. As you can see, we are ready with our books here.
Doris told us you'll be coming to our house to do some revision with her. So we thought it's wise for us to come join you guys.
For your information, hear it well and hear it now. I did not tell Doris that I'm coming to teach you girls. I came for her and I'm done.
Now, wow. Why only her? We also wish to learn now. Or are we not qualified to learn under you?
Can I go now?
Please, no. Since you are done with her, then you can follow us to our house. As you can see, we are ready to learn now. But let's still have
something else in mind with her.
Yes.
Hey, see, let me tell you guys, stay away from my parts. I gave you an opportunity last time and you messed it up. And now you come here to tell me you want to learn.
It hasn't gotten to all that.
It has gotten to that. You, Choma, Nonso and Janet. I'm not the only young guy in this community. Is it by force to date you? Eh? Is it by force to date you? Birds of a feather.
Please wait, Peter. You know we are offended.
President, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, how are you?
Fine, sir.
How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Honorable, you know you asked me to come with my secretary.
Yes.
This is Nedu, the secretary of the youth.
Yes.
He's a very brilliant fellow.
Very brilliant. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Yes.
Well done, sir.
President.
Yes.
I invited the two of you here so that we'll discuss an important issue. Please let's just go somewhere and discuss.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
Excuse me, sir. I don't know if we have offended you, but if we have, you see, there's a way we do things in this community.
Yes.
You can call us and caution us. We are your boys. We are his boys.
Of course.
Or better still, you report us to the king, who will then summon us for interrogation.
That's true.
President, Nedu, you people have done nothing. I told you I have a pressing issue I want us to discuss. That's why I sent for you.
You sure?
Yes. Just up into the car.
But what you do, just tell us the joints you want us to meet you up, and then you drive down, and we will trek.
Yes, we will trek. We are very good trekkers. So.
Professional trekkers. We can trek for Africa. We
Yes.
trek for a living.
I think it's a good idea.
Yes.
President, I order you to just meet me up. Maybe one of these hotels around here, or one of these joints. We'll just sit and discuss. No fears at all. Just up in.
We prefer a joint. A joint.
Yeah,
joint.
Please, just up into the car. Let's go.
Let's enter the car.
Let's
So, we will get we both sit at the front so that if there's any gra-gra, we can, you know now.
We drag the steering. President. President, let me open for you. Open. Come inside. Oh yeah, let's go.
No. Nedu, go to the back. Let President stay here.
Honorable, who am I to sit on the car owner seat? Please drive. Let's get.
Honorable, we are together. We are together.
No, see, Nedu, go to the back. Don't break my door. Allow President to be here.
Honorable, no.
Nedu, it's my car. Go to the back. Let President be here. We'll be discussing.
Nedu, it's okay. Go to the back.
Two of you can be here. Two of you can just be here.
President, are you sure?
There's no problem. Be strong,
Honorable.
Yes. Honorable. Car owner.
So let's proceed.
Thick madam, you're folding your hands, waiting for me to greet you first. Chika, do I look like your mate?
Chidinma, I don't have much time. Please say what you're here for so I can go back to my work.
I love that word, please. That means you still have an atom of respect for me. I came here for two things. Number one, to warn you
to remove your eyes from Peter. He will not marry you. He will not date you. Ah, is it by force? I know you have been using romantic way to seduce him. Because I won't see you. How you wrinkle your body like snake that want to lay egg. Since all that did not work, you want to use quarrel method so that he will beat you, blind one of your eyes. Then your people will not force him to marry you. But it will not work. You can laugh for all I care. You know I've caught you. Alanti came to apologize to you. I don't need to be told that you quickly accepted the apology, thinking he's indirectly asking you out. But I hope you did not accept by hugging and kissing him, eh? I'm asking you. Chidima, I am not a prostitute. Besides, I don't have interest in your brother Peter. So all what you're saying are your business. Ubaki Beranu, I have been waiting to hear this since. You don't have interest. No wahala, no? This will usher us to number 2. Sorry. For panel beating you last time in the market. It just happened because you could not turn this your tiny little mouth. I know that your head will be 20 times bigger, oh. But sorry, Sha. What you say you've heard? Chidima, you will never change. I know you too well. So, I will not take your ignorance serious. Now, wow. Anyways, I've heard you. Add ma to it. Magini, my your head.
Honorable. You see, it's been honorable who has sponsored all this.
Yes.
It is my honor to buy you, even if it is a bottle. What's his name again?
Waiter, please don't bother. You see, my president, I'm very fine. I actually called the two of you here for a purpose. I want to do something for me.
You see, honorable, whatever it is, whatever you want us to do, just say it and we'll do what? Do it. So long as it is not killing.
It's no longer news that I and Princess Adora will be getting married.
Of course. We were even we bought clothes. Yes. Preparing to be your best man.
Two of us together.
We said it at the same time. You say you are not lying.
That's nice. It's a confirmation. You see, she's very stubborn. She's so difficult to convince.
But, Honorable, you are a very handsome man. You are wealthy. And the son of the famous senator.
I'm also a counselor.
Counselor too. So who will dare turn down a whole honorable like you?
That I know. You see, I tried in so many ways. She's proving stubborn. And I've confirmed so many things about President here. And they have told me that he is so talented and is very close to the princess that he can actually talk her out of whatever into agreeing with me. You know, I believe there is somebody that is making her be so stiff with me. And I know that the president here can talk her out of anything. And whoever this person is, I just wanted to find out. Set up your mercenaries. Find out who this person is and let me know. But anyhow you're doing it, just be professional about it.
Honorable, you see, we have had you. And we want to assure you that we will do our best.
Two of us.
I also want you to understand that in as much as Adora is my friend, she is a grown-up. And she has this will of her own. Nevertheless, what we can do for you is to try to uncover who this man is that is stealing your wife from you. But because we are good people, we should be about the most sincere in this community. Sincerest. We do not like to deceive people. When we find out who this man is, don't expect us to tell you his name, because we do not betray our own. You know why we are doing this? Because our king is a very sincere man. And he has been able, in his wisdom, to successfully imbibe this sincerity into everybody, especially the leadership of the youth wing. What we can do is to try to talk this man out of the relationship with Adora.
That's lovely. That's lovely. Which means it's a deal, right?
Yes.
Then no problems. It's a deal. And I want to say, anyhow it goes, at the end of it, please be on my side.
Honorable. Look! My president here is a very, very sincere person. He is not a politician. And whatever he tells you is true and authentic. So, believe him. President, Honorable is in love. But Honorable, why should you even go?
Nedu, Honorable, I forgot to tell you also that Nedu here is a comedian by profession.
Yes, stand-up comedian.
But Nedu, this is not a time for entertainment.
No microphone.
Well, I want to believe that I have dropped my message and it is well understood for your troubles.
Thank you.
Honorable.
Oh, okay. Hold it. You hold it.
You see, sincerely, we appreciate this. But Honorable, you see, we only receive money from people we work for.
I can see that our king has really infected you guys.
In fact.
Well, anyhow, it's a deal. I will wait for your good report. But please, don't forget, be on my side.
Sure.
Barman.
So,
yeah, give them one crate of whatever they're taking. Then meet me up in the car for your money.
Honorable.
You do not have a problem.
Yes. Oh, one more crate. Please, convert my own to money. Bring the money to me. I need to spoil my girl.
Waiter, bring the crates.
Oh, President.
Nonso. Chai. So you and Janet, we are busy flaunting yourselves before Peter. You're not even ashamed of yourselves. Nonsense.
Look at pot calling kettle black. As if you are the holiest.
Yes. wait. I thought she said she detests Peter and everything about it. That was what she said. Even when we noticed something a few weeks back, she even said that Peter had been asking her out, but she showed it.
Exactly. Yeah. But if I may ask, what could Doris have done to Peter that he sounded that fierce?
Well, I can't really say. Hey! But I trust Doris and I know what she can do. She must have made an attempt to rape the poor boy. That girl is terrible.
Yeah. Janet should just go and thank her God that Chidinma did not jam her romancing Peter. By now, would have been beside her at the hospital bed.
True, I fear. Not be small thing. The fear of Chidinma is the beginning of Sandra.
Hey! This life, eh?
My dear.
Darisi! Yes, I'm coming.
Come fast, come fast. Ha! Chidinma! Daris, how are you?
I'm fine.
Cheer up now. Is there a problem?
Problem? I do not have any problem.
At least you're calm now, Abi?
Yes, I am.
Good. I came to pay you a visit.
Chineke.
Doris, what is it now? Is my presence not turning into terrorism? I came in peace, so don't worry. Before we go into today's business, just entertain me. I need water and salt. You understand?
Chidinma, what have I done now? And why are you here?
I said I came in peace. You understand? Though I have a sore throat, you understand? So go and bring water mixed with salt. Plenty of salt. Go fast.
All right.
Good girl.
Pleasure is mine.
Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doris, why did you give me water and not clean cup now?
How do you mean? I washed the cup before you even need to fetch you water.
So, I'm lying, Abi. Come and sit. So, you think I did not see you that day when you were busy dragging my innocent brother? I wanted to rape him. If not for God intervention and I showed up on time, you would have pushed him down and knocked the hell out of him. With this your sighting right from the pit of hell. Didn't I warn you? Ever since I warned you not to come to our family again, you decide to use your child to drag him to your house so you can have access to what he has never given to any lady before. Let me ever see you close to Peter again. I will make sure I destroy your life. I will destroy you. It's yours. If you don't shut up, it's yours. Don't try me. I will show you the other side. What other side of love will you show him that he has no cutting for his love to his sister? Let me catch you again. Nonsense. I know.
Mama, it's not a laughing matter. You need to see how the man was beating them one after the other. Hey, very tiny look.
Hey, Chinelo, where did you witness this fight?
Ah, Mama, so you did not witness it?
No.
You mean you did not witness it?
Where?
In the film now.
Eh? Eh? You mean all this story is a film?
Ha, Mama, it's not a laughing matter. Because if you were there, by now you would have been crying.
Hey, Chinelo, you will not cease to amaze me.
Ah.
Eh? So, that little tiny man you are talking about is
It's in the
fighting
film
like a lion.
Nah.
And he was beating people that are bigger than him.
Yes, now. Ha. One after the other.
Eh? Well, you know I don't watch television now.
Ah.
How will I see?
Anchima, welcome. Bro Peter, welcome.
Hey, you're welcome, my children. Hey.
Chinelo, when did you come?
Since morning, no.
And you didn't come to join us at the farm?
Oh.
Hey. Chinelo has been here since morning giving me gist.
I trust her now. He could have one of Umungo Kingdom.
Bam.
She has been telling me one story to another.
Anchima, me, I'm hungry. I'm going to say when you come back, you cook.
If I slap you, so I will go to the farm and return, then cook for you because you're the Queen of England. Did your mother give you food before you ran out of the house?
I ate in the morning before leaving the house.
Just because you're looking for where to gist. You no longer stay at home, Abi.
Are you jealous?
Mama, leave this girl.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I cooked today. My father asked me to cook. I cooked for him and he loved it.
So, tell me, what did you cook?
I made garri. I want the soup.
I don't have time for what this.
You really made garri. I want the soup. Mama, is your guest now?
Yes.
Please enjoy her stay.
I am enjoying
Not only
it.
making garri and warming soup.
Is it not cooking?
It's cooking.
She made garri and warm soup. Is it not?
Ma, don't mind them. After all, before they came, we were having a good time here.
Good time. Serious one. Please tell me
Hey,
about that story.
Mama, where did I stop?
You told me now that the tiny little man was beating up all those people.
came to tell you that I'm sorry for what happened last night. I guess I went too far.
I should be the one apologizing. You know, I started it all. But it's okay, it's fine. Just come and sit.
Oh my princess. Look, princess, I don't want to start thinking that we have something in common other than being just good friends. Because I have no feelings for you.
Peter!
I'm sorry.
Please wait! Is this all about Chidema?
I have a true confession to make, my princess. I love you so much.
You said you love me so much.
I know I am a nobody. Please stay with me and let's make history together.
You told me you want us to make history together.
That which I feel for you today, I've never felt for any lady.
Peter, my love. You said you feel for me the way you feel for no other.
I pledge to love, cherish, honor and protect you forever.
You pledge to love, cherish, honor, and protect me. Why are you now making me vulnerable, despondent, and depleted? Why the sudden change of mind?
Please, 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 my princess. I never meant any of that. And don't believe them.
Peter, I have heard romantic words, promising, stronger than the ones you even told me last night. But I never gave them a thought. Because I believe you. I know deep down in you, you have something strong for me. I know you love me. Peter,
I have to go, my princess. And please don't come with me.
Peter, please. Peter! Peter! Why me? Peter! How dare you? How dare you badge without my response?
Good morning, my princess.
Shut up and answer me!
I knocked before I opened.
Get out!
But my princess, you instructed that when I knock, I should not wait for your response before coming in.
I said get out!
But my princess, I...
Leave! I will never forgive you. I'll never forgive you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you.
Got to the princess. Coming.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. And why are you here? You're supposed to be meeting the princess by now. Or have you forgotten she has a very important meeting to attend this morning?
I'm just coming from the princess's quarters. And I don't know what is happening to her.
What? What do you mean?
I mean, the princess sounded so upset this morning. I only went to her door and knocked. I opened as I do every morning. But she suddenly flared up at me and asked why I didn't wait for her response before coming in. And the next thing she did was to ask me to leave her presence.
Just like that?
Yes.
Was she naked?
No, even if she was naked, I mean, Nkem has been the one beating her all this while. It's not enough reason for her to react in such manner. Serious? Yes. Honestly, I don't know. But I think the princess is going through pains. Yes, I met her crying. I met her in tears this morning. Are you sure? Sure. Alright, thank you. Can you go back to your quarters first? Okay. Let me see.
Wow, well, I think we need to go and find out what's wrong with her. Let's go and check up.
Just not this.
No, but we will take care of it later.
Come in. Okay, how many times have I told you? Once you knock, you should open. But still wait for my response.
And that's because you changed the rule this morning.
I'm okay with you.
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning, my princess.
Good morning. I already know why you're here, but I canceled the meeting. I'll see you girls later.
That's not why we are here, my princess. Now, please, can you turn and face us?
What's the meaning of that?
Well, whoever had the guts to cause my princess to cry must be severely punished.
Yes. I mean, this is unlike Her Highness. Waking up in tears.
And even if the incident happened in the dream while she was asleep, that made her wake up crying, person will suffer the same fate as that.
That is if I ever had a moment of sleep. Peter kept me this way since last night.
What? You mean Peter dares raise his hands on you?
No. Amaka. Peter wouldn't have possibly done that. Take a look at the princess. Her face speaks of heartbreak.
Oh, my princess. My princess.
I know you must have been deeply hurt to feel this terrible. Don't worry. Wipe your tears. You'll be fine.
My princess, if we come here as maidens, then we dare not come close to you or question you, apart from telling the queen to do that herself. But we come here as friends. Please, my princess, tell us, what really happened?
Peter came here and told me to my face that the relationship between us isn't real. He said the love he pledged to me, he never meant it, that I shouldn't take it to heart. He even said he doesn't have feelings for me, that I should not come looking for him. The worst was when he ignored me and left.
Tar! Peter, you lie! I don't know what it is to fall in love, but each time you're with the princess, I see true love in your eyes. I see you begging to be with the princess and no one else all your life. Why the pretense, Peter? Why?
My princess, Amaka has good points here. There must be a good reason he did all of that. I believe he equally had a sleepless night himself. I stand to be corrected. But who knows? Maybe his mother or friends must have warned him against endangering his life by being with you.
No. I don't think so. And I know Peter has something to do with his sister Chidinma.
Wait a minute. Wow. Are you saying Peter is having an affair with his sister?
Something like that. Because she doesn't like seeing us together. Her level of jealousy is very consuming. I think she must have threatened him to stay away from me.
My princess. Well, I'm happy your tears are dried now. I shall call in Kim to come and attend to you, while myself and Amaka will be back soon.
Me?
Yes, you.
Oh yes, me.
You want to leave?
We'll be back, my princess. Let me call in Kim to take care of you.
Alright.
Please put yourself together and make sure you're fine. See you soon, my princess.
Take care.
Where did you go to this early morning? I said, where are you coming from?
I went to play football at the primary school field.
Oh, you went to play football. When your mates are busy making money, you are busy playing football.
Papa, I beg you, don't just start this morning. Don't start. No, tell me, is football not an exercise? After all, the richest people in this country are footballers. Please, I'm actually working towards my future.
Ikenna, why are you disgracing my nobility? Right from the womb before you were born, I have been preparing you for the princess. By now, the palace should have been your second home. You would have been visiting there regularly, making your intention known to the princess. Rather, you are walking around like a madman on the street.
Papa, I am not ready to get married to the princess. To be frank with you, I am not. I will not get married to anyone who is older than me. The princess is not my age mate.
Ikenna, in this community, marriage is not by age. It's by nature. Allow nature to favor you, Ikenna. Please be responsible.
Okay, I've heard you, Papa. I'll try and be a responsible son. And I'll make you proud when I start playing for Imba Football Club.
That what?
Papa, give me I told you.
Good morning, Mr. Peter.
Bring suitcase this early to my house.
Thank God you know the visit seems odd. But if I were you, I'd run straight to the palace to turn back the hands of time and right the wrongs.
I don't understand.
We are the ones who don't understand why you should be treating the princess the way you did.
I mean, how could you be so heartless as to hurting the tender heart seeking for true love? God, is this how men are? And I'm really scared.
I got romance words, Mr. Peter. You are a coward. Yes! You can't even hold on to what you feel. You are confused over what you need and what you want. Why should you allow your feelings to be pushed around when you've already expressed it and given your heart to the original owner? Why do you choose to hurt yourself just to please others? Mr. Peter, you are in love with the princess. And you know it. But if you know what is good for you, run down to the palace and kneel before the princess. Else, we will encourage, advise, and support the princess to accept the suitors that are coming for her. Men that are bold enough and direct. Yeah, begging and bringing drinks for her to marry.
You mean?
Mean what? That the princess gave her head freely to you does not mean she doesn't have suitors. Amaka, let's go.
No, please. Just hold on for me, please. Let me quickly. You know what I mean? Let me just finish your bed.
Okay. Please come my way. Alright, Senior. Good morning, Mr. Peter.
Morning. Good morning, my princess. Please pardon my manners. My love. My shining light. Do you really want that makes me happy? Please forgive me. I'm truly sorry for all I said. I guess I was just being a coward. I must have been drunk without knowing it. Who am I without my princess? Please, I'm sorry. Trust me, last night I didn't blink an eye because of this. I believe it's the spirits that was bent on destroying our relationship. But trust me, I will not give in to it again, henceforth. I love you, my precious. It's from the depth of my heart. Please forgive me.
Peter, I don't believe you.
Please believe me, my love.
Then tell me what you have with Chidinma.
For Christ's sake, Chidinma is my sister. And I can't possibly have anything to do with her.
If you don't, you will leave here this minute.
She is my sister. That's all.
Get out.
You mean?
I said get out.
But before you go, please, my love, I want you to still keep the space in your heart open for me. Because I want to dwell in there forever. I was afraid of having anything to do with you because I am a commoner and you are royal. I was also afraid of the heat that might arise from the father, the king. I was afraid of toying with people of your class that are also interested in you. But trust me, I am no longer afraid of those. I am ready to crest your name on my forehead and take it round this kingdom just to prove that you are mine and mine alone. I'm truly sorry. Do me just this one favor. Please, still keep the space in your heart open. Don't be in a hurry to be with another man, please, because I cannot bear the heartache. I love you, my princess. Thank you.
Peter, please don't go. I believe you. I believe every word that proceeded out of your mouth. I believe you. I love you so much, Peter. Please, don't hurt me again.
I will never hurt you in my life. I swear with my life I will never do that.
Leave me outside.
I'll never leave you. I will always be by your side.
That is true, my king. And all thanks to you for your good leadership has really brought change to this our kingdom.
All thanks and glory be unto the Almighty Father. I am only his servant.
Well, my king,
yes.
Though I have been coming, but today's visit is special.
Okay.
My father sent me to find out from you when my family will visit for proper introduction. And he also asked me to give you this.
All right. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Well, tell your father that I have accepted his drink and I saw his message. But I will get back to him after consultations with my kinsmen.
Thank you very much, my king. I will do just that.
Madam.
Yes, my queen.
Please get something cold for Honorable Uche to cool off. And then ask them in the kitchen to prepare something really nice and delicious for him to eat.
Yes, my queen.
Please, don't stress yourself, young man.
Why?
My great queen, the mother of all and the mother to all, I LD. You see, my tummy is very willing to go up and eat everything you wish to offer me. But my time says no. I must run along, my king.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow, it's okay.
Madam,
Yeah.
please let me see him up to his car.
Okay, no problem.
So you see, your dad is such a nice man. I tell you, so gentle to a fault.
Uche, what was the meaning of that you did back there in the palace?
What does he look like?
Cut it and answer me. It's an order.
Well, my father wishes to know when we should visit for proper introduction and collection of lists in regards to our marriage.
Like seriously?
Yes.
Without my consent? Oh, you think I don't have a say, right? For your information, you better don't bring them here, except you want to embarrass them. Uche, we are friends for crying out loud, good friends. But I can never marry you. I will never. If you're not comfortable with that, then take a walk. Excuse me.
Princess.